Ethereum just printed a sell signal as we push into a highly bearish zone on the TC top and bottom finder. Most often, especially with the trades in favor showing a 92% chance of a drop in the short trade zone, this is going to result in a rejection back to the downside. This means we need to change both of these green back into support. Are we going to head down back to $3,744? Or is whale money, which still shows whales are actively buying, going to break us through, create a short squeeze that sends us back up to potentially as high as $4,800 or more? Guys, big moves are coming in the market, and you cannot afford to be unprepared for what happens next. Using these indicators, our traders have earned an insane 306 wins and 0 losses over the last 29 months. Members are getting real-time training in our future forecast videos. In last future forecast, in our downloads page, we actually supplied a chart that called every Bitcoin an XRP top for a very long period of time. Guys, if you want to maximize your profits and time the top as effectively as you can, you need to watch that video soon. And members get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. Lots more in the membership, and if you're not a member yet, you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Ethereum just fired a sell signal at around $4,349 and sitting right inside a historically very strong resistance. We just passed above a strong liquidity zone, a short trade liquidity zone to be more specific. This is where price has struggled to break through before, and combined with current overbought readings from the trades in favor, this is where things may be difficult to move up. This is a critical place to watch. Trades in favor in the short trade zone historically result in drops because it means that upwards momentum has run out and we're likely to drop to the downside. But what I want you to notice is the biggest drops also correlate to price versus whale money flow being high, which means whales have oversold and are likely to sell. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So of course, selling is going to result in drops. But what I want you to see right now is that whales are actually still oversold and are actively buying back in. Whales have plenty of room to move into the market, and if they continue buying, bearish signals like a sell signal and trades in favor in the short trade zone create strong bearish pressure. Whales buying through that bearish pressure liquidates short traders, results in massive pumps, and as short traders try to recover their losses, they buy in, pushing the price up even farther. This is what's called a short squeeze, and this is something we need to be careful of. Traditional technical analysis says we're likely to drop down to $3,438 all the way up to $3,744. Anywhere in this support range is possible, and this still keeps us above our previous higher low to continue the uptrend. However, if whales buy in, we need to be ready for pushes up to $4,800 and even higher, potentially to create a new all-time high in Ethereum. If you are holding long positions right now, this could be a point to protect your profits and even potentially exit a portion in order to secure them and let the rest ride for a move up. From there, if the price drops, you can buy in lower in order to maximize your profit on the way back up. And again, if the price continues upward, you have more money in the market writing it. So this is where you can increase your profit potential as well. I highly recommend for those of you that are not actively in a wrong trade, and of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your funds, but if you decide you want to look for an entry, we are setting alerts. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to click create. From there, we're going to switch this to the TC top and bottom finder after creating a second alert. Don't forget, we're going to keep it at a buy signal once per bar close, and we're going to click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again with a strong buy once per bar close, and we're going to click create. A buy signal with the trades in favor at or near the long trade zone is typically where we're seeing bounces in the market as long as it correlates with the price versus whale money flow. Watch for pump will let us know when the trades in favor has dropped into the long trade zone, and a buyer strong buy alert will tell us when we get a buyer strong buy signal on our chart. If any of these 3 alerts post, check to see if we have or are close to creating a bullish trifecta. And for those of you that are not in Ethereum yet, that could be a great time to enter. And if you want proof of that, just take a look at our trading record. We are 306 wins and 0 losses with that entry strategy and a risk management strategy that I'll show you in a later video. Using this strategy, this trader met their goal of becoming debt-free. This trader says you hands down have the best indicators in 34 days. This trader earned $2,000 and turned it into $10,000 in a month. Crazy what our traders are able to accomplish. On top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, our members can access these indicators for up to $550 off. And if you're not trading with these tools yet, now is the time to do it. Get access at the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Once you've signed up, head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.